Our next project is taking that tree out. Goes up and over the trailer. Yeah, it's gotta go. Wah. Got a bid on it for $3,000. It's right next to the kitchen window. That's an old tree. Oh yeah. So, gives lots of shade, but it also drops branches, and all that has to happen is one of the big branches comes down, and then we're in a world of hurts. So, yeah, that's got to come out. But once you start cutting, back in here, yeah, you got some rot because the old water lines are leaked and they had the sink run out the back. Yeah, got a bid for $3,000 to pull that beast, and we think as rednecks we can do better. What's Blue bitching about? Well, that's because you got all those tattoos on it. No, smoke follows beauty, eh?
Right. I think it singed my freaking hair on my head.
Well, you were gonna cut it all off anyway, so.
Oh yeah, it singed all the hair on that arm. I can feel it singed the hair on my head right here.
It singed the hair on your head?
Yeah, my arm.
Wah. Yeah. One nice little construction fire. Okay.